Well, good afternoon and welcome to Thinking Tuesday. It's 12 noon, so you know that it's Thinking Tuesday. I'm so happy to be here with you once more for a few minutes to just check in on our thinking, as I always say on Tuesday, because your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can decide to grow flowers or you can grow weeds. And here on Thinking Tuesday, we know that it is flowers that we want to grow. We want to check those weeds, root them out, make sure they're not interrupting our positive thought pattern. We want to develop a positive mindset. We want to grow in ways that's going to make us reach our potential. So, last week, if you remember, I talked about whether or not you're living dangerously, right? And dangerously means that we're living in our comfort zone. And comfort zone can be a beautiful thing, but nothing grows there. So, today I wanted to do a little bit more on that topic. I'm not going to be long because I am on vacation, but that's exactly the reason why I'm doing this because I said last week that each day I challenge myself by doing something out of my comfort zone. And I'll be honest with you, I thought about whether or not I will do this. I would have done it by taping it. Didn't have the time to. And then I thought, well, I'm on vacation. Should I really be doing this? But I decided, like I said, to challenge myself, take myself out of my comfort zone because one of the things that I'm working on for my personal growth is accountability and intentionality. Well, those are two things. And so, when you're in vacation mode, you just want to do things that you want to do. You want to relax, you don't want to be on a time clock. But I decided to make this one thing the challenge that I will do today. And that is continue to be accountable to you, my family, my Thinking Tuesday family, in doing what I said I'm going to do. It's not going to take me the whole day. I still have a whole day ahead of me, you know. So I wanted to encourage you that it doesn't really have to be a major thing that you're challenging yourself with, but it's something that's going to help you with your personal growth. For me today, I might add something else later, but right now, today, I decided that I want to take myself out of my comfort zone, think about, or reflect about what it is that I want to achieve for myself. And for myself, it is accountability and intentionality. So this checks this box that today, even though I could be laying on the beach, which I'll do later, you see, there's still time for that, right? So it's all a matter of how you think. How you think. There is always a different way to look at things. Some people might say, well, you're on vacation, why are you doing this? But like I said, I am thinking about how I want to feel. I want to be true to myself. How do I want to feel at the end of the day? It's a win win situation. I can have it both ways. I don't want to cheat myself out of an opportunity to remain true to the decisions that I'm making about who I am striving to become. Because nobody's perfect and we're always on a journey to become better. In fact, that's what we should be doing. So I am thinking of how good I'm going to feel. In fact, I'm feeling good already. And I'm going to pat myself on the back, like I always suggest you do, because I am taking myself out of my comfort zone and I'm doing something intentionally, which is meeting you at 12 and being accountable for that. And I'm already feeling great about that because I'm holding myself accountable and I'm going to feel even better when I've done that. So think about what it is in your life that you want to accomplish, what it is that you want to accomplish on a daily basis. And I'm doing this for today, and tomorrow I'll do something else, or I might do something similar. But what it is that you are trying to accomplish, what values are you trying to instill in your life to help you reach your potential? What goals do you have? They can be long term goals, they can be short term goals, they can be intermediary goals. But how are you moving towards becoming that person, achieving that thing that you aspire to? What steps are you willing to take? What small steps? Because the small steps are just as important. In fact, they're even more important because, like I said last week, they build the foundation. You need that momentum to continue moving forward. So try to find one step, one thing that you can do today, not tomorrow, today, that you can challenge yourself with, getting out of your comfort zone, achieving something that you can feel good about. Don't minimize those small steps. I'm certainly not minimizing this small step because I know that after this, I have the whole day to continue my vacation. So I just wanted to encourage you to not think that you have to do a major thing, but try to find something small, something achievable, exactly, because we feel good when we can achieve something, no matter how small. So ask yourself, what is the next step that you can take to get you to where you would like to go or to help you to become who you would like to become? It's not going to be very long today, like I said, but if you have found value in this, please share it with someone who can benefit from it. Okay, feel free to check out my previous on my YouTube channel, my previous messages. And my YouTube channel is Thinking Tuesday, Cheryl Burton. Again, I invite you to visit my website, drcherylburton.com. Feel free to peruse the services and programs that I have there, and feel free to reach out to me. If you have something that's keeping you stuck, if you have something that you're trying to achieve, and you don't know the next step, and we don't have to know the whole picture, we just have to have a vision, we just have to have an idea, whatever that idea is. But it's important to take a step. If you would like some encouragement, some mentoring, some coaching around what that next step might be, feel free to reach out to me on my website, drcherylburton.com, and I would be happy to offer you a complimentary, confidential consultation to help you take the next step. So take care of yourself, step out of your comfort zone. You will feel better for it. You're moving towards that goal, whatever that goal is. And I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday at noon for another message, encouraging message on Thinking Tuesday. So take care of yourself, and I'm out of here. Back to my vacation. Take care. Bye now.